Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to label timer on iOS 17. So first of all you need to open your clock app, then switch to timer, and as you can see from now on you've got the label option here, so you can label this timer however you like, for example run, tap on done, and then click on when timer ends. So we can choose some tune, for example this one, set, and let's set it for maybe 4 seconds so you can see the ending. So here we got start, let's switch off the display, and now you've got the label here. The sound obviously is on, and you can either repeat it or stop it however you like. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.